on a ferry
Ah.
and to get from one place to another. It went all so fast, I don't really know, to be honest. We were on a boat and then there were people screaming and then we were all in the water and I managed to get to a rescue boat and I was cold all the time and then someone helped me and saved me.
Far sand. Yeah. Essentially, it's far sand town hall.
Just tell me if it hurts at all. Okay.
We've been out, seen a lot of villages, seen a lot of the temporary camps that have been set up. We've had our doctors go out and assess their needs, and we've now got all those needs back in, and we're starting to try to coordinate with other agencies to see if we can get stuff out to help those people. We're set up in a fantastic centre, and there's constant collaboration in terms of the assessments coming back, asking other people for help, providing help to other teams. So it's, can't ask for a better team.